I'm not gonna keep this to myself. I found this airdrop and I feel everyone should jump on it. So let me just give you a walkthrough of how this stuff works and how you're gonna make something for yourself. So when you connect your X, yeah, the first thing you should do is connect your X or join with your Google account, okay, whichever one works, but you definitely have to connect your X at some point. So make sure you have a good X account with at least a good reputation, because my account is 2 years 7 months. You can see my X age, that's my reputation signal, and currently I want $2, blah blah. So let's just get to work and show you guys. So when you sign up every day, you are going to get you can see that you can get every day there's like a streak. Yeah, let's call that streak. And the next thing is signal, but let's go to the next thing that I feel matters a lot, which is the task, right? So you can see 11 available tasks here, and I've only done 9, right? One is under review and one is currently not done, so I left that one just for the purpose of this video. So this is how it works. When you click on this, right, you need to follow the instruction which says open the the tweets. You're going to like, repost and reply under it, then you come back. So let's just try this. Let's try. I think I commented on this already, but I did not like it, so let's just see. Oh yeah, I did already. So just click on verify after clicking on the tweet. So let's see what will happen now. Yeah, that worked. So we have 300 rain, right? So I think, yeah, that worked. So this current one is under review. I think it's a screenshot task. So just leave that for now. And let's go to wheel. So daily, you get one wheel daily. Then for performing different tasks, you get more wheels every single day. So currently, what I have here is tickets. Yeah, you can see this. You can see this side. So I have 2 tickets, and I can just click on the spin and let's see what I get with this. Oh yeah, that's cool. So I can share the proof. So I think I'm just gonna share the proof, maybe for more chance or for a better chance, right? So this is it. I'm posting this now, and let's see. Yeah, I have the tweet here right here. So let me copy this, and let's come back here. So I'm just gonna post the tweets. Yeah, verified. So of course, I just won $1 now, like just right now. So I have one spin left. Oh, I won another spin now. That's good for me. So let's go back to this now. I started the video when it was $11, so now it's 12, and I'm gonna click on my wallet. I clicked on the wallet icon, so you can see this. I have my wallet address. um I've completed 5 different tasks. So what I need to do now is, if I have referrals, my current USDT is gonna unlock, and then this is my rain balance. You can see rain balance here. So yeah, TGE is gonna be next month according to everything I've had so far, seen so far. So let's just follow up, and that's that on that. So for signal, like I check here every 1 hour, and then I pick. Yeah, this is what I picked. I really don't know how this worked. I just picked, and then let's see what was my pick. My pick was crown, right? So this is crown, and then pause is leading. So I guess anybody that picks the one winning will get a point or something like that, which I'm not sure. I don't know much about. So let me try and spin again one more time. So yeah, this is actually cool. So okay, on this spin, this is 5 rain. So let's go back to task. I've done everything right here. So let's move to the next one, which is the ranks. Okay, so I'm currently on ranked because, like I said, I joined a while ago, but I just started, actively participating. So we have different leaderboard, which makes it interesting. So this is not like a referral based or stuff. For every task, for earning, we have a separate leaderboard. For completing tasks, you have a separate leaderboard. For referrals, you have a separate leaderboard, and then for signal, there's a separate leaderboard. And to me, that's like, it's kind of cool. Yeah, sounds innovative, right? Because unlike those projects that people will just refer, and it's gonna be a referral based game. So if you are not leading with referrals, you can lead with tasks, and then you can lead with different stuff. and I feel this is something we can still join. It's not too late because I just maybe in 24 hours I already have 4,000 REIN, which cost currently is about $200 thereabout. So that sounds like a win to me. And currently there's 11 tasks here. So if you do the maths, you can still make up to 2K. And then these two tasks here, they give you 200 REIN and extra $1 for every task. So you can still join. I don't think this is late at all. I don't think this is late. So just join. Make sure you join. I'm going to drop the description, the link in the description, sorry. And make sure you like, follow, subscribe so you can get more, juicy updates like this. So yeah, basically this is everything the airdrop is all about. So you just have to show up daily, turn up every day, use your spin, check in daily, you choose a house every hour, and basically that is what this airdrop is all about. So yeah, it doesn't cost much. They are not asking for anything, so I think it's actually what you try. So make sure you just follow up, and you can slow this video down at your own pace, or just to make sure you catch up. Sorry that I'm rushing. I don't want to waste anyone's time, so that's why I'm just trying to wrap everything up as early as possible, as quickly as possible rather. So see you guys in the next video.